ko lang dito sa Spain is ang cute nila, oh. That one is beautiful.
Yeah.
That one, love. So this is our third day and pumunta kami dito ngayon sa Puerto Banús. So about 30 minutes from the hotel where we stay. And nandito kami ngayon at the moment. So we're exploring this place. Yan, ang ganda. So another place to visit here in Spain. So beautiful. I really enjoyed. We really enjoyed our holiday here. So it's our third day. Marami-rami pa ang video ko, guys. So abangan nyo na lang ang aking mga video. Naglalakad kami ngayon dito sa seaside. So this place is different compared doon sa Fuengirola kasi doon seaside siya pero more on restaurants, unlike here more on shops pero sabi nga ni Habi ano daw siya, it's expensive shops here. Ayan. Mga branded kumbaga, guys. And ayan. So it's beautiful. Sulit ang aming holiday today, ang aming holiday. And we will spend until New Year here. So ito yung nasa harap, guys. Along the way over there. And then ito yung in front, which is yung sea view. Ayan. Oh, may Michael Kors pa siya. Ayan, mga branded nga. Kasi ang ano namin, ang pera namin is mas mataas ang value namin. So, kung bumili kami ng ng isang item, mas mataas ang price kumbaga. Mababa ang euro kasi. Yan. That one, guys, Bentley.
Bentley convertible.
Yeah.
Medium one.
So, heading to on the other side of this seaside, guys. Oh my God. Halata talaga dito. It's pretty obvious that it's expensive here kasi yan yung mga yung mga boat or malalaking boat dito is for rent. Imagine, guys, about 800 for only 2 hours, about 800 euro. That one, Silver Pearl, London. There's a London owner. Oh, ang lalaki.
Gone down. It's a real big
Yeah. It's a milkfish, I think. Milkfish we called in Philippines bangos. Yeah. So many bangos here, guys. Pwede tayo magprito. Pwede tayo magsinigang na bangos. Pero I think bawal hulihin.
There it is.
Which one? Down there.
Big and down there, that white one.
Yeah. Ayan, nanonood kami. We're watching the fish swimming.
See loads of them down
Tsaka
there.
ang linis. Yeah. And the water is clean as well. You can see down there.
You have to see them all down there.
Yeah, it's a lot. Oh my God. Yeah, Gibraltar.
Andalusia, Gibraltar.
Maria Jose. Oh my God. That's for what it's called, love party. That one is beautiful.
Yeah.
That one, love.
Yeah.
The gray one. And the other one is bigger. The next one.
Looking big spare bolt on the back end of it.
Yeah. Oh my god, maybe that's a thousand euro. That one. Lady Haba. Dito kami sa little park. We're still here, guys. Just exploring around. So my husband is waiting for me kasi he's hungry na. Do you want to sit down?
I just want to stop walking.
Yeah. Dito na kami sa town center. So kanina doon kami galing sa seaside, and then pumunta kami doon sa beach. Ayan, kung makita nyo guys yung nag-walking ako, so that's way going to down to beach. And yan, alam nyo guys, ang mas gusto ko lang dito sa Spain is parang similar din siya sa Manila. And then ano lang, I mean kumpara mo sa England. Sa England kasi at this moment in time, December, so it's winter and it's cold, it's always damp, also ano, madilim siya when you wake up in the morning, magpasok sa trabaho, and then also pag uwi, parang always madilim. So dito napaka bright, and the temperature is just like about 19-20 degrees. So we don't have like, you know, a specific direction, just ano lang, exploring around here, and we will see, we will discover what's in here. What are you doing? There's a little bird. Do you want the food? Hindi sila mailap sa tao, guys. Oh, binigyan ni My Love ng pagkain. Ang cute. Oh, sure.
Dropped it.
Ang cute nila, oh. kumain guys. So, nag-order lang kami ng light meal lang kasi kami and also wala parehas kami na may sakit na. So, wala kaming taste. And yun. So, pahinga-hinga muna kami kasi ang dami namin nilakad today. So, hapon na. So, wala. Tingnan namin kung saan na naman kami pupunta. Gaya na wrong timing talaga yung aming holiday kasi una-una, since from England, I'm not well. And then, ayan, ilang araw. Until now, grabe yung ubo ko guys. And also, nag-ano ako na grabe yung ubo ko sa gabi, dry cough. So yan, nag-travel kami from Fuengirola, from our hotel about half an hour all the way down here. And we don't know, we don't have specific plan every day. So we just like come up to our mind. So we don't know, tomorrow we will see where we going tomorrow. Or so asawa ko naman yung masama pakiramdam niya kasi nahawaan siya.
No, it was
Yan yung
not.
map
They
nila.
ceded the territory in the Treaty of Utrecht.
Daw nilalagay yung mga prisoner dati nung unang panahon. Ayun, yung nandun sa taas, yung may mga hole.